Hey.
Felt good at first.
That's weird. My garment says sending. I don't know what it's doing. I hope it didn't try to. Felt like more than rain for a minute there. I thought it was about to be hail.
A bit of a hail.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know. Hi. I think it is over too. That's really awesome. Ouch. It's done. Okay.
Oh, I see what happened. That's weird. I don't know if it was the weather or because I suddenly veered off in the grass, but this thing tried to send an emergency signal. Oh, hang on a minute before we all go.
Oh, group picture.
Smile, everybody. I'll put it on Twitter. I'll hashtag it.
Hashtag Hudson Valley Rain.
Yeah. It don't seem too bad now. Yeah, it was weird. What in the world? For some reason, it ended my ride.
Oh wow. Mine's
I must have hit some button, but you have to confirm this. I don't know how that happened.
At least we escaped from the heavy part.
Thank you.
Next time, put out some snacks. You know?
Yeah.
Oh, we got lucky. This was it.